Hey guys, Hillary here from the 9010 channel. I'm traveling right now on a trip with my mom, so I thought it would be a great time to show you my capsule wardrobe. The closet's behind me. Let's jump right in. Today, I'm super excited to show you how I'm gonna fit all my clothes, including socks, underwear, masks, bras, into this. Let's jump in. Drew and I recently donated 90% of our clothing and selected versatile pieces that work interchangeably with other parts of our wardrobes. My capsule wardrobe includes 4 tank tops, 2 t-shirts, 1 pair of black pants, 1 pair of shorts, 1 lightweight puffer jacket, 1 long sleeve button-up blouse, 2 masks, 3 pairs of underwear, 2 bras, 3 pairs of socks, and a swimsuit. We typically do about 1 load of laundry every 3 days while we are traveling. To save money on airline fees, we are currently living out of 1 15-pound backpack each, so it is vital to use every inch of space wisely. To accomplish this, we purchased compression packing cubes to save on space. First, I lay a few items flat into the large packing cube and then roll the majority of my shirts and shorts. Into the smaller packing cube, I roll my bras and nicely tuck in my underwear, masks, socks, and a swimsuit. I love keeping the smaller items separate. It makes unpacking and repacking super easy. I tuck the small bag into the bigger bag and compress both into one tidy package, which easily slides flat into my backpack. Packing a carry-on saves us on average $40 each per international flight. This is another way we save money that gives us the freedom to be more generous. So there you have it. All of my clothes for this trip, my capsule wardrobe, all packed into this one bag. Comment below if you think you could pack all of your clothes for a week-long trip in this bag and let me know what you think. I'll also put the link to these packing cubes down below in the description. Not sponsored, just highly recommend. They're good quality. I'm really enjoying them so far. Let me know what you guys think. See you in our next video.